I've got a word puzzle for you today. I want you to find the common characteristic for the words on the left and the common characteristic for the words on the right. So we've got Dave, Barbara on the left, Jimmy and Joy on the right, Avatar on the left, Hulk on the right, garbage on the left, ink on the right, reverberate, minimum, tweezers, lymph. So think about that. If you want, pause the video and think about it. Next slide. Okay, same question. Find a characteristic in common for the words on the left and a characteristic in common for the words on the right. Okay, last time. You can pause it and think it over. Okay, here's the last example. Common characteristic for the words on the left, common characteristic for the words on the right. So now I'm getting ready to give it away. So pause and think if you don't want the spoiler. So here's the big hint. Type the words in. So if you type the words in on the left, you'll find that you only use your left hand. If you type the words in on the right, you'll find you only use your right hand. So I've partitioned the keyboard if you're a touch typist. These 15 letters your left hand is responsible for. These 11 letters your right hand is responsible for. So on all the pages, you can type in all these words using only your left hand and all these words using only your right hand. And here's some more words. I used the utility called grep, which is for searching through a dictionary. So I grepped for all the words you could type with your left hand and all the words you could type with your right hand. And there were thousands of them, and I picked out some of the more interesting ones, like stewardess, vegetate, reverberate, waterbed, zebra, crabgrass, Barbara, bastard, beaver, advected. With the left hand, there's a lot more you can do with your left hand. The right is Jiminy, John, lollipop, mommy, opinion, phony, plump, Philip. So anyways, if you've stuck with me this far, then you're a real fan, so I can really get into it. So grep is this Unix utility that searches for patterns. So if I want to find all the words I can type in with my left hand, what I'm asking it to do is to show me all the words that do not contain these letters. So these are the letters that your right hand has responsibility for typing in, and these brackets mean any one of these characters. So this -V means show me the reverse. If I didn't have the -V, it would say show me all the words that have at least one of these characters. So the -V says show me the opposite of that, which means show me all the words that do not contain these characters. So these are words you can type in with your left hand. And conversely, these are all the words these characters here, your left hand is responsible for typing in these characters. So it's saying, show me all the words that you can type in. I beg your pardon. My cameraman is using her phone. I guess she's tuned out once I started talking about grep. But anyways, I looked through two sources. I had a dictionary from college, an electronic dictionary that listed words. We had to write a computer program that used synonyms to get from one word to another word. And so that was source one. So that had 3,400 words that you could type in with only your left hand, and 451 you could type in only with your right hand. And then today online I found another larger dictionary that had almost 8,000 words you could type in with your left hand and 1,600 words you can type in with your right hand. So in any case, you can type in a lot more words with only your left hand than your right hand. And thank you very much.